DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making rusty Valentines, and we're using Americana acrylics and my secret ingredient for making everything look like real rust. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some rusty Valentines. If you feel like you need to seal your project, use a spray matte lacquer like the one made by Americana. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.